Aston Martin's Valkyrie is a Formula One car for the road, crafted with insights from Red Bull's Adrian Newey. Announced in 2016, it finally hit the road in 2024. The Valkyrie boasts a teardrop carbon passenger cell, housing a 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with an electric motor. And behind the scenes, probably one of the most fraught, but it's made it, with the promised package mostly intact. This powertrain, a stressed member, supports the suspension, achieving a remarkable power-to-weight ratio. Despite weight increases due to regulations, it still delivers 1,139 brake horsepower. The Venturi tunnels are something to behold. The whole car seems to float above the road, perforated by empty spaces. From some angles, you can see straight through it. Downforce is a key feature, with 1,000 kilograms generated by the car's undersurfaces. The cockpit is race car tight, with minimalist carbon seats and a unique steering wheel. The hybrid system, powered by a 1.8 kilowatt-hour battery, offers a 143 brake horsepower e-boost. Driving the Valkyrie is straightforward, thanks to its 7-speed gearbox. However, refinement is absent, with a raucous V12 engine and deafening noise. Aston Martin provides headsets to filter sound, but the experience remains intense. The Valkyrie faces challenges, including limited grip, long brake pedal travel, and vibrations. Development constraints have impacted its finish, but its track performance remains thrilling. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is an exotic, exciting hypercar with a visceral engine. Despite its flaws, it stands as a testament to innovative design and engineering. Yes, there are issues, and likely they all come down to not having the budget for further development. But the truism of the rarefied hypercar sector is that the more expensive the car, the less money there is to make it happen. If you want perfection, buy a Toyota. So the Valkyrie, with heavy F1 input, compromises in areas we're not used to. Cabin noise is the standout. But look, the Valkyrie is exotic and vastly exciting, contains one of the most thrilling, visceral, and intense internal combustion engines ever to punch a cylinder, and accelerates like a paper dart with afterburners. It's fabulously single-minded and a marker in the sand to all that might want to follow. Time, we're sure, will judge it kindly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.